Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play visual novels on your PC. Visual novels are a unique form of interactive storytelling, blending text, art, and music to create immersive experiences. Getting started is straightforward. You can find hundreds of titles on popular platforms like Steam and itch.io. Many offer free demos, allowing you to dive into captivating narratives without any initial cost. It's a fantastic way to explore new worlds and stories. Once you're ready to choose, explore the vast array of genres available, from heartwarming romances to thrilling mysteries and chilling horror. Reading user reviews and checking ratings can help you discover hidden gems and ensure a quality experience. Before downloading, always take a moment to verify your PC meets the minimum system requirements, ensuring smooth gameplay and avoiding any technical hiccups. This simple step saves a lot of frustration. Installing a visual novel is typically as easy as installing any other PC game. Once launched, take a moment to explore the in-game settings. You can often adjust text speed, autoplay options, and even font sizes to personalize your reading experience. For some titles, using a game controller can offer a more relaxed and comfortable way to navigate choices and progress through the story, especially during longer play sessions. To truly maximize your enjoyment, immerse yourself in the narrative and consider your choices carefully, as they often lead to different outcomes. Many visual novels offer multiple branching paths and several distinct endings, encouraging you to replay them to uncover every secret. Don't forget to connect with online communities. Sharing your thoughts and theories with fellow fans can significantly enhance your overall experience and introduce you to new titles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.